Hey, just wanted to show my new winter camping setup. I have been camping out of a teepee style one-man shack for a long time now, and I really wanted to step up into something bigger. So I got this 850XD that has tons of room, at least enough room for two big dudes and a dog. Yep, Supervisor Remy out there. My buddy sewed this together. This is actually a welder's blanket that we just cut a hole into and put some Velcro around. It's working out great. We had a bit of an issue. You can see all the stitching there. This material, just fiberglass threads that separate super easily. So Shane was having a hard time getting that to not fray out all over the place, and he did a great job sewing it all up because it was just a disaster for 2 seconds. And what's super cool about this setup is that it's reversible, so any one of these windows in here I can put that stove into, so it can be totally customizable of like how we use the space where that stove goes into and all that stuff. And on top of that, I can use this in any new style Eskimo shack. So like I bought another smaller one, like basically like half the size, that I can pop the stove into if I feel the need to. And Shane's gonna have a how-to video coming up on his new YouTube channel, Ain't It a Shane? Like, pun intended. Okay, pretty funny, pretty witty. And the link will be in the description when that channel launches. Yeah, it's working awesome. It is toasty in here, like really toasty. And I have all the doors and windows open. But to be fair, like before I even started the stove up, it was still toasty in here. Like it's pretty warm out right now. And I'll show you the outside setup. I need to get some sort of stand thing. I don't know, maybe I'll just make it out of some trees when I go camping. Not 100% sure, but that's a little jankety. I mean, you know, I'm kind of a jankety kind of guy, but that's pushing it. So yeah, that's the setup. I'm really excited about it, even though we got to wait a couple more months. I don't know how cold I'll be able to camp in this, because it is a lot more space than what I'm used to. I did do a negative 40-degree challenge in that teepee style tent. I'll put a link in the description. But this is a lot more space, so maybe negative 30. I'm hoping. That's my hope, but who knows? We're gonna test it out this winter for sure. This is gonna be a winter cold camping palace in here. I'm super excited. I cannot wait for the cold weather. I know most people are like, oh, stop saying that, but I'm excited. This is going to be really, really nice. Have all the space. I'll even be camping in this by myself and just, fishing on one side and having all my camping gear on the other. It's going to be really, really nice for those trips that I can drag this along in a sled or back my truck or something like that. This is definitely not a portaging kind of tent. So excited. Thought I'd let you guys see it, give you an update. That's what I've been doing, this kind of stuff. Gas is too expensive. Can't be going all over the place anymore. So I'm in the backyard getting ready for the time that I really enjoy, which is the cold weather. So as always, keep living high, wild, and free, and I'll catch you out in the woods sometime.